What is a disregarded entity LLC? How does it work? And if you've ever wondered about the term disregarded entity and what it means for your LLC, you're not alone. In this video, I'll break it down in simple terms, explain how it affects your taxes, and show you how it can simplify your business operations. I will say I'm not a tax professional, but I've been doing this for years with my personal businesses. Let's start with the basics. A disregarded entity is a type of business structure recognized by the IRS. If your LLC is classified as a disregarded entity, it just means that the IRS treats your LLC's income and expenses as part of your personal tax return. Hopefully that makes sense. In other words, the LLC is disregarded as a separate taxable entity for federal tax purposes. And this is the most common with single-member LLCs. By default, a single-member LLC is considered a disregarded entity, so all the business's profits and losses flow through to your personal income tax return. You'll file a Schedule C with your Form 1040 to report the LLC's income and expenses. Now, why would you want your LLC to be classified as a disregarded entity? I get asked this question all the time, so here it is. The main benefit is simplicity. You avoid the double taxation that occurs with corporations, and you don't need to file a separate tax return for the business. This makes tax filing faster and more cost-effective, especially for small business owners and solo entrepreneurs. And I'm hoping I explained this pretty simple so that you can understand it. Again, if you have questions, hit me up in the comments. But being a disregarded entity isn't the only option. A lot of people don't know this. You can choose to have your LLC taxed as a corporation if that fits your business goals better. This flexibility is one of the reasons LLCs are so popular. If you're thinking about forming an LLC or just need help with your existing LLC, LegalZoom can make the process easy. LegalZoom provides affordable LLC formation services, and they'll even help you understand the tax implications of your business structure. I personally use them, and that's why I push them to other people. Whether you're starting fresh or making changes to your current LLC, LegalZoom is extremely helpful. And again, I'll throw my affiliate link in the description. Super helpful, guys. Alright, so let's address some of the common questions that I get asked. First, does being a disregarded entity affect your liability protection? The answer is no. So your LLC still provides the same legal protection for your personal assets as it would if it were taxed as a corporation. Hopefully that makes sense. The whole disregarded part only applies to taxes. It doesn't change the liability shield of your LLC. Another common question is whether a multi-member LLC can be a disregarded entity, and the answer is no, unfortunately. By default, multi-member LLCs are treated as partnerships for tax purposes. However, they can elect to be taxed as a corporation if needed. So finally, let's talk about the importance of staying compliant, because this is a huge deal, guys. Even if your LLC is classified as a disregarded entity, you still need to maintain proper records, like paying estimated taxes and following state requirements for annual filings. That's where LegalZoom can really help you. It can help with compliance services, ensuring your LLC stays in good standing year-round. Again, the link's in the description. Okay, so let's recap this a bit because it was kind of a lot. A disregarded entity LLC is a single-member LLC that is treated as part of your personal taxes for simplicity and efficiency. It's a great option for small business owners who want legal protection without extra tax complexity. If you're ready to form an LLC or need help managing your existing one, again, check out LegalZoom in the description. If you have any further questions on this, hit me up in the comments. I do try to reply to everything. I hope this video was helpful, and without further ado, I think you guys should check out this next popular video right here.